In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase GoHighLevel agency logo size. We're going to walk through this step by step so you can make your agency branding stand out a lot more clearly inside your GoHighLevel account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to adjust the size of your logo using a small bit of custom CSS. First, log into your GoHighLevel account and head over to your agency launchpad. This is the main starting area where you usually land when you open the platform. If you don't see it right away, look for the option labeled Launchpad in your agency view and click that to open it. Once you're in the Launchpad, look for the Settings option. This is usually located on the left-hand side menu. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where all your account level and agency level configurations live, including your company details and branding options. Inside Settings, find and click on the section called Company. This area holds your core agency information, your business name, contact details, and importantly for this video, your white label and branding settings. Within the Company section, look for the white label tab and click on it. The white label settings allow you to brand the platform as your own, including controlling how your logo appears to your clients and sub-accounts. This is exactly where we'll be adding the code to adjust your logo size. Next, you'll want to go to the link provided in the description of this video to get the CSS code you'll need. Simply open that link in a new tab, copy the code that's provided there, and make sure you have it ready to paste. You don't need to understand every line of the code for this to work. Just make sure you copy it exactly as it's given. Now, go back to GoHighLevel, still in the white label section under Company Settings. Scroll down until you see the Custom CSS area. You'll see a field where you can paste your own CSS. Click inside that field and paste the code you just copied from the link. Inside that code, you'll notice a number set to 80. This number controls the size of your logo. Click on the 80 and change it to another value. A higher number will make your logo bigger, and a lower number will make it smaller. For example, you might start by trying 100 for a slightly larger logo, or 60 if you want it a bit smaller. You can always come back and tweak this number until it looks perfect. Once you've updated that number, scroll down and click on Save Changes. After saving, refresh your GoHighLevel interface, or open a new tab to see the updated logo size in action. If it's not quite right, just come back, adjust the number again,